Hello everyone, this is Nicole with the Outdoor Plus, and today we're showcasing our safety towers designed by the Outdoor Plus. All of our products are designed and manufactured in our facility in the US in Ontario, California. Our safety towers allow you to have various control elements like wireless receivers, gas timers, emergency stop buttons, electrical dial timers, or 1-hour button timers. The towers act like an external hub that's easy to wire, service, and upgrade. These towers are designed to help meet local building regulations since many cities and fire marshals require an accessible emergency shutoff for fire features. Many commercial spaces require a visible emergency shutoff and a time control to pass inspections. These towers provide a clean and approved way to meet those requirements. These towers are designed for builders, contractors, hotels, rooftops, restaurants, and venues who want a fire feature and safety as a priority. If you'd like to learn more about our safety towers, make sure you give us a call and one of our specialists would love to help you out. If you like this type of content, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below for what you want to see next. See you next time.